Bonjour, on est journée 59. C'est la leçon asynchrone. Aujourd'hui, c'est lundi 22 mars 2021 et il fait beau. Il y a du soleil et il fait très doux. OK, les objectifs pour aujourd'hui. These are the same objectives that we had in class the last time we were together. I know what the verb être and its present tense conjugations mean. I can conjugate the verb être and I can pronounce the conjugations of être. OK, l'agenda. On va faire de la révision d'être. Vous allez écouter, compléter et enregistrer la page 113. Il y a un dialogue. Ensuite, vous allez compléter la page 116. Il y a un mot croisé. OK, le verbe être. Être ou ne pas être? Telle est la question. To be or not to be? That is the question. This is our quote from Shakespeare. Of course, telling us that être is the verb to be. Voilà, les conjugaisons d'être. Vous avez des notes aux pages 3, 112 et 115 dans votre cahier. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are, informal singular you. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. On est, we are, casual speech, or one is. Nous sommes, we are, speaking in a more formal tone. Vous êtes, speaking to the formal you or a plural you, a group of people. Ils sont, they are, males or mixed company. Elles sont, they are, all females. Je suis, tu es, il est, elle est, on est, nous sommes, vous êtes, ils sont, elles sont. Remember that the general pronunciation rule is that final consonants in French, like all of these T's and S's, are silent. OK. Tournez dans vos cahiers à la page 113. En haut de la page, complétez les conjugaisons d'être. Ensuite, vous allez compléter ce dialogue. Chloe is waiting at the cinema with her dad and her little sister and her friend Marianne. She phones her mom to find out where her mom is. Fill in the blanks using the answers from above, then in pairs, practice the telephone conversation. So you guys need to listen up, fill in the blanks. I'm going to read the dialogue for you. There may be some words in there that you've never heard before, like ye. So if you need to take some pronunciation notes, please do so, because when you are done with this, après avoir complété le dialogue, répétez et perfectionnez la prononciation, puis enregistrez-vous sur Canvas en lisant le dialogue. Okay? So after you've heard me go through the dialogue and you fill it all in, practice a couple of times, go over anything that you're not sure of, listen again if you need to, and then you're going to make a voice recording of yourself reading this dialogue on Canvas. Okay? Allons-y. Allô? Salut maman. Bonjour Chloé. Où es-tu? Je suis au supermarché. Oh, tu es au supermarché. Moi, je suis au cinéma. Je suis avec Marianne. Pardon? Vous êtes au cinéma? Oui, nous sommes au cinéma. Où est ta petite sœur? Elle est avec papa. Où est papa? Il est au guichet. Super. Amusez-vous. Merci maman. À plus tard. À plus tard, Chloé. Quand vous avez fini avec le dialogue et avec la page 113, tournez à la page 116. Ensuite, vous allez compléter le mot croisé à la page 116. Soumettez une photo à Canvas. D'accord? Alors, si on regarde un peu le mot croisé, let's just take a quick look at this together. You're using the conjugations of être, So how do we say they are? The little F here means females. So this is referring to a group of females. They are. So you would go up here and you would figure out how do we say they are. And remember to look back at your notes in the cahier if it's not coming to mind, and you have to get spelling right in a crossword puzzle. Okay? If you have questions, please don't forget that I have office hours on the days we would normally have class during our normal class times. So this week it will be Monday and Wednesday between 1 and 2 o'clock. You can just jump on the class Zoom and ask those questions that you may have or get some help. Okay? On fait le point. So after you're done, reflect on today's learning objectives. Do you feel like you have met them? You don't have to put your thoughts in the chat, but just think about, do you know what the verb être means? Do you know what its present tense conjugations mean? Can you conjugate être? And can you pronounce the conjugations? If you didn't already, don't forget that your asynchronous work from last week was page 114, page 114, les animaux. We're going to go over that when we're back together in class. Merci. Au revoir. Bonne journée.